problems on electronic configurations, or we can see some other problems also. Maximum is electronic configurations. What is the excluded in Pauli exclusion principle? So what is the meaning of excluded? Excluded means here a possibility of finding third electron in an orbital is excluded. So this exclusion means actually we have to keep only two electron, not third electron. That's why this meaning of exclusion is there. Which has maximum magnetic moment. So magnetic moment, we know the formula very well, that is square root of n into n plus 2. This is the actual rule. So we have to find out the magnetic moment. Which of the following answers maximum magnetic moment? If the ion has more number of unpaired electrons, that ion has mostly magnetic moment, that can be very good magnets. So Mn2 plus, first write the configuration of this one. So this is 3d5 4s0, 2 electron loss. Here 2 electron lost. This will be 3d6 4s0. This will be 3d2 4s0. This will be 3d4 4s0. After writing, if you draw it, you will get here 5 unpaired electron, 4 unpaired electron, 2 unpaired electron, 4 unpaired electron. So 5 electron is highest. So put this value 5, you will get here root under 35. This is the maximum magnetic moment. Now this is the, in psi 321, sum of the angular momentum spherical and angular node is what? So here 4 is given here, root 6h, this given here. Let us solve it. First we have to find the angular momentum. So first write psi 321. 321 is nothing but the 3 quantum number, n, l, m. So n is 3, l is 2, m is 1, this is 1. So angular momentum will be equal to h by 2 pi root under l plus 1. So L is equal to 2. So write here 2 plus 3, 6h by 6h will be outside. It is not inside. It will be outside here. H. This is outside H. So H by 2 pi. So this will be H by 2 pi. Spherical nodes n by n minus L minus 1. This will be 3 minus 2 minus 1. So angular node is 2. So add this one, this one, this one, this one. So we'll get here this. So it will be again outside. Wrongly I have written here. Please mark it. Okay, this is mark it here wrong. So here also all wrong is there. Please mark it properly. So root h plus 2 pi, 2 means 4 pi. So A is the actually correct answers here. Write the spin multiplicity of carbon. So spin multiplicity means 2 into summation of s plus 1. S is the number of spins. So here in the carbon 1s to 2s to 2p6. So you take normal state, we have 1s to 2s to 2p2. But is in excited state we have a spin like 1s to 2s1, 2px, 2py and 2pz. So if you take the excited state, then we have how many spin? So spin will be, in S there will be 5 positive spin, 1 negative spin. This is negative spin, 5 is a positive spin. So write the summation of 2 into all spin, positive spin, negative spin and plus 1. So half into 5 and half into minus half into 1. So this will get 4 spin. Spin multiplicity of carbon will be 5. A compound of vanadium has a magnetic moment 1.73 Bohr magnetron. So work out the electronic configuration of vanadium ion in this compound. So we have to find the first number of unpaired electrons. So here we have here 1.73 root square root of under n plus 2. So 1.73 is nothing but the root 3. So n into n plus 2 will be 3. So on solving we will get here n equal to 1. So 1 means vanadium have 23 electrons. So they have lost how many? 4 electrons. So they have lost how many? 4 electrons. They have lost 1 means 1 electrons, 1 unpaired electrons left. So where 23 minus 1 means how much? 19. Not 19. It will be your 20 plus 3, 23. So 2 electrons from this one. 3 plus 2, 5. So if we see the configuration, this will be 4s2. Actually this will be your 4s2 3d3. 3 plus 1, this becomes 4s1 3d0. So we can see this value. So this is the electronic configuration of the vanadium. an electron in hydrogen atom from excited state returns to ground state in one or more steps, shows the emission of 10 lines. How many blanks to visual spectrum? So this is a question from the hydrogen spectrum. So we have to find the those lines which is visible to spectrums, visual spectrums, that is Balmer lines. So total lines is 10. So we have formula summation of delta n is equal to 10. Delta n means nothing but the n minus 1. So n minus 1, this is your n minus 1. Okay, so this is total 10. So you have to take such that such value of n, it will becomes your 10. So if you take n equal to here, n equal to 5, this becomes 4. So 4 means how much? 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So this is coming here 6 plus 4, 10. So answer n equal to n2 equal to 5, n1 equal to 1. So from n to 5 it will give all the 10 lines, but we have to know only second lines, means 5 to n2 equal to 2. So one lines will be 5 to 2, one next will be 4 to 2, one will be 3 to 2. So there is a 3 Balmer lines is possible, okay, which belongs to visible spectrum. So this is our answer.